Are you worried about your family's financial future? Do you want to learn how to manage your money better and achieve your financial goals as a family? If so, you're in the right place. Financial planning for families is an invaluable aspect of running the family, hence, we shall be sharing valuable tips and strategies for managing your family's finances and building a secure financial future. Whether you're a new parent, a single parent, or a blended family, financial planning is essential for achieving your goals and ensuring your family's financial stability. We shall be covering the following in this video. 1. The importance of setting financial goals for your family. 2. Budgeting techniques. 3. Saving for emergencies. 4. Investing for the long term. We'll also share practical tips for teaching your kids about money management and making financial planning a family affair. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take some notes, because this video is packed with valuable insights and tips that can help you and your family achieve financial success. Let's get started.
Welcome to The Strategist.
Financial planning for families. Number 1. The importance of setting financial goals for your family. Whether you want to save for your children's education, pay off debt, or prepare for retirement, setting clear goals can help you make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. Setting financial goals is an essential step in financial planning for families. By setting clear, specific, and achievable goals, you can establish a roadmap for your financial future and make informed decisions about how to allocate your resources. Here are some tips for setting financial goals for your family. 1. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save more money," try saying, "I want to save $20,000 over the next 2 years to put towards a down payment on a house." Specific goals are easier to track and achieve. 2. Make them achievable. It's important to set goals that are challenging, but also realistic. If your goal is too ambitious, you may become discouraged and give up. 3. Set a timeline. Attaching a deadline to your goals can help you stay motivated and focused. 4. Write them down. Research shows that people are more likely to achieve their goals if they write them down. Consider creating a vision board or a list of your financial goals to keep them top of mind. Number 2. Budgeting. Budgeting techniques can help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut costs. You can ensure that you are making the most of your income and maximizing your savings by following a budgeting technique. Budgeting is a key element of financial planning for families. It involves tracking your income and expenses to ensure that you are spending within your means and maximizing your savings. Tips for creating a budget. 1. Track your income and expenses. The first step in budgeting is to know how much money you have coming in and going out. This can help you identify areas where you are overspending and areas where you can cut costs. 2. Set limits. Determine how much you can realistically afford to spend in each category, such as housing, groceries, entertainment, etc., and stick to those limits. 3. Make room for flexibility. Life is unpredictable, and you may need to make changes to your budget as circumstances change. Be prepared to make adjustments as needed. 4. Use tools to help you track your spending. There are many free budgeting tools and apps available that can make it easier to track your income and expenses. It may take some time and effort to get into the habit of budgeting, but the long-term benefits are well worth it. Number 3. Saving for emergencies. The importance of emergency savings and how much you should aim to have set aside. Emergencies can happen at any time, and having a cushion can help protect your family from financial hardship. Emergency savings are an essential part of financial planning for families. Emergencies can happen at any time: a car breakdown, a medical emergency, or a job loss, and having a cushion of savings can help protect your family from financial hardship. So, how much should you aim to have set aside in emergency savings? A general rule of thumb is to have enough saved to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will provide a buffer if you experience a financial crisis and need to rely on your savings to pay for essentials like housing, food, and healthcare. Some tips for building an emergency savings fund. 1. Start small. It's okay to start with a small amount and gradually build up your savings over time. 2. Automate your savings. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency savings account to make saving easier. 3. Keep your savings in a separate account. This will help prevent you from dipping into your emergency fund for non-emergency expenses. 4. Don't forget about inflation. As the cost of living increases, you'll need more money to cover your expenses. Make sure to regularly review your emergency savings and adjust your goals as needed. Building an emergency savings fund can protect your family's financial security and give you peace of mind knowing that you are prepared for the unexpected. Number 4. Investing for the long term. Whether you are saving for retirement or building wealth for your children, investing can help you reach your financial goals faster and more effectively. Investing is an important component of financial planning for families, especially if you are saving for long-term goals such as retirement or building wealth for your children. Why investing is important? 1. It can help you reach your financial goals faster. By investing, you can potentially earn higher returns on your money than you would with a traditional savings account. This can help you reach your financial goals faster. 2. It can provide financial security in retirement. Investing can help you build a nest egg for retirement, which can provide a source of income in your golden years. 3. It can help protect against inflation. Over time, the value of money tends to decrease due to inflation. Investing can help you keep up with the rising cost of living and maintain your purchasing power. 4. It can provide a financial foundation for your children. Investing can help you build wealth for your children, which can provide a financial foundation for their future. There are many different types of investments to consider, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. It's important to do your research and consult with a financial professional to determine the best investment strategy for your family. You can take control of your financial future and work towards achieving your financial goals when you engage in long-term investing. So there you have it, some tips and strategies for financial planning for families. Remember, you can take control of your family's financial future and achieve your financial goals when you plan your family finance. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and tips for financial planning for your family. It's never too late to start planning and taking control of your financial situation. Taking small steps toward financial security can make a big impact on your family's financial future. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to a financial professional or seek out additional resources. We wish you the best of luck with your financial planning journey. We hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to take control of your family's financial planning. Thank you for watching.